Hello everybody, it's Nathan from Arcadius Ops, and today it's a short video about the next few steps in building the dojo for drones PiHawk, which I still have here. Now I'm going to just show what I've done, and then I'm going to point out what it is. So first of all, the GPS. So I plugged the GPS in and I plugged it into the PiHawk, and I've attached it to the top plate and the drone arms. Now you noticed is that I don't have the spacers between the top plate and the arms, mainly because, well, only because there were none supplied in the kit, but that's not a problem. It seems to be nice and steady, and of course it saves a wee bit of weight. So I've got the GPS there. This of course is the front, and I've got the power supply, the power module, as you can see there. All right, the power module I have directly connected to the power distribution board. I haven't put a plug there. The plug will go there. That's the power distribution board, nice and tight. We have the safety switch, all right, which goes on there and there, and the buzzer, which is right, here's the buzzer there. So switch and buzzer, all right. I put the battery hanging from the top, so I've got the battery going underneath, like a slight clearance there. All right, it's nice and packed, the battery there, and the cables coming out of it. This cable here is the balance for when you charge it. You don't use this cable for when you fly in, so that needs to be stowed away. This is where you plug everything in. Okay, I've got the drone arms fitted into the PiHawk as per the video. That went okay. I've got the power from the PiHawk to the Raspberry Pi. That's all sorted out. Got the receiver plugged in. I put the receiver against one of the arms there, so that when the drone is flying, the signal can come in wherever it is. The signal can come in. All right, and then we have the telemetry. Okay, the telemetry is there, and that's pointing down. So I've plugged in all of the peripherals to the PixHawk. All right, I bound the receiver. The receiver has already been bound to my transmitter here, and I have this left now. Now this is going to plug into my laptop and run Mission Planner. All right, so that's the next thing we're going to do. So it's all been plugged in. You can see that the ESCs have been soldered in, they've been connected. Let me turn it around a little bit. That's it. And we are ready to go. No problems so far. The videos that we get with the PiHawk are pretty self-explanatory. And in the next video, we'll talk about the calibration of the ESCs, and I'll also talk about the Raspberry Pi and what it's for. You can actually fly this without the Raspberry Pi, but I'm going to use it for a camera, maybe a visible light or a thermal camera. So this is how it is so far. All right, there's the receiver there, all the things. There we go. All right, So I'll put that down, and like I said, the next video we'll talk about calibration and setting things up. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye.